Okay, it's Atmospheric River Part 2. It is raining again in the Chilliwack River Valley and all through the Fraser Valley. Expecting 30, 40, 50 millimeters of rain overnight, and then another storm next week. So there's like 3 of these atmospheric rivers that are about to move through the Fraser Valley. The water here in the Chilliwack River Valley has already receded quite a bit, but this new rain has definitely got people feeling nervous, and everyone's on their guard. I'm just going to my brother's place right now to have a look. He had some issues with the hill behind his house last week, so everyone's a little bit on edge here as this new system of storms develops. There's a guy there just looking at the water in the ditch. The rain's been falling for 2 hours now, and there's already people out at the ends of their driveways looking in their ditches. It's these little bits of water here that are going to start filling up first. And this was full of water last week. Just ripping all through here. This would have been full of water. Now it's back there. But it's not far. It's starting to come down now. If it keeps up like this all day and all night, tomorrow morning might not be good at all.